Welcome to a quick, practical guide on how to allow everyone mentioned on your Discord server. If you've ever wanted your community to be aware of important updates without missing messages, this one's for you. We'll walk through the steps clearly so you can apply them right away. First, open Discord and head to your server. You'll see a list of channels on the left and at the top, the server name. Tap that server name to open the drop-down menu with quick settings for your space. From there, choose notifications. This is where Discord handles how alerts come through to your server members, including mentions. In the notification settings, you'll find several options designed to tailor how attention-worthy messages are delivered. Look for the setting that controls suppressing at everyone and at here mentions. You'll want to toggle this off, which lifts the global block and lets those mentions trigger alerts for everyone or currently online members. Turning off suppression means your important announcements can reach the entire community when you need to get everyone in the loop. Before you save anything, it's a good idea to consider how you'll use this tool. If you enable at everyone for certain channels, you might want to pair it with channel-specific rules or time windows to prevent notification fatigue. For example, reserve broad mentions for critical updates or events and use more targeted roles for day-to-day communications. Clear guidelines help keep member attention high without overwhelming them. Once you've toggled off suppress at everyone and at here, review your channel permissions and posting practices. Make sure moderators know when and how to use these mentions, and consider setting a short cooldown or approval step for especially broad alerts.